Hello friends, this is Scott, and today we're doing an update on the whiskey barrel lettuce, mustard, and arugula mix that we planted in this barrel on April 25th. And this is a flashback to the day we planted, and Mr. Lincoln was with me that day, and he's coming down to check out the progress. But we're going to wait about 8 days, and they're going to wait, I think, 13 days to see how the whiskey barrels are doing. First checked on the progress of the barrels on May 3rd. As you see here, pulling the mulch back, and you see we had really good germination, it looks like. So there's a little bit too much mulch in here, so I'm going to start pulling some of this off. But it did the job. It kept it moist, it germinated, and it looks like the seed is evenly spread throughout the barrel, so it didn't get washed away. Next checkup was May 8th, which was 13 days after planting. And it looks like we definitely have good growth. Everything's been evenly moist and growing, so we should have a great lettuce mix. So, looks like success as long as I keep it watered and don't let it dry out. Well, thanks for watching today's short video on the progress of the whiskey barrel lettuce. And I'll be back with future videos that are both short regarding the update on the progress of the crops that we've already planted, as well as new projects that we've got going on. Thanks for watching.